What up everyone, coming at you live here from the Chillicotin. I just wanted to show you a couple projects today. They're not absolutely necessities out here right now, but we're trying to work on our outdoor kitchen. So one of the projects will be a cooler stand with a dog bed underneath, and then we will also be doing the fridge stand with some shelves for some other things we need. Once we complete the cooler stand slash doghouse and also the fridge stand, we'll show you the outdoor kitchen that we've been slowly chipping away at. We completed the gazebo finally with all the bug netting, so we'll give you a full picture of everything there and give you a little shot of that once we're complete. So yeah, we're quite excited, and hopefully we get some good construction done today, and we'll be doing some outdoor cooking today. So anyway, I was able to actually make a cake on a barbecue, which is awesome because out here it's no ovens, so it was quite good. Made a cake for Father's Day, so maybe we'll give you a little shot of Dad on Father's Day. He was pretty stoked to be able to do that in a hot tub. So yeah, so we'll maybe show you a little clip of the cake later on. All right, catch you later. Finally completed the cooler stand slash doghouse, and we got the big Cabela up here, and yeah, it's pretty awesome. We're pretty excited with this thing. So, and it seems like Ace is pretty happy too. So, fridge coming at you next. Another project coming at you will be the road construction. This is our old bridge that we've been getting across. We did some major improvements to it last year. We put some boards down, and so it's not so bumpy, but we used about 120 logs across this quarter bridge. So I'll show you a little bit of it now. This is our old bridge that we've been using. It's working really good, but we're getting into building the new road, and we've marked out and flagged all the trees that we need to cut. But yeah, this was before these planks here for the tire walls. We used to have to go across stuff like that, and it was quite bumpy. But we moved some gravel in, and we can get the trailer and the boat now across it quite easily. So yeah, that's the old bridge. But we'll be coming at you with the new road construction.